Hello guys, welcome again to another episode of the copy trading series. Today we are going to talk about choosing a good copy trading broker. So if you want to discover 5 tips I use in choosing a good copy trading broker, then this video is for you. My name is Untitled Chapter. I am a Forex trader and also the founder of A+ Trading Hub. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button below this video and also tap on the notification icon there. So when next I upload a video, you will be notified immediately. So for the sake of the newbies, I'm going to actually define what is copy trading and what is a broker before we dive into the 5 tips on choosing a good copy trading broker. So copy trading enables individuals in the financial markets to automatically copy positions opened and managed by professional traders. This is also known as social trading. So this is done by you connecting your own trading account to another trader's account. So whenever he opens and closes a trade, it will automatically reflect on your own account. So this is done by using a copy trading platform or a copy trading app. A broker is a financial service company that provides traders access to a platform for buying and selling of currencies, commodities, stocks, and other digital assets. Personally, I normally tell people that brokers are like middlemen in the market because they are in between you and the market. They give you access to the market, so that is why I call them middlemen. So let's move right in. So the first tip to choosing a good copy trading broker is regulatory compliance. You need to make sure this broker is regulated within your region. Like especially what I look out for, I have to make sure the broker is regulated with FCA, like with the UK, is also maybe regulated with a SEC and other important regulatory bodies. So make sure the broker is regulated, and you can easily do this by downloading the weekly FX app on your mobile device. Then search the name of the broker there and you get all the information you need on their regulations. So you need to look at the account features, you need to look at the commissions, the spreads, and also the ease for deposit and withdrawal. These commissions and spread are some brokers play a little bit with commissions and spread. If they give you 0 spread, that means they're going to charge you high on commissions. If they give you 0 commissions, that means they are going to charge you much more on spread. So this is what brokers do. So what you need to do is look for a balance between the two. Like the broker I use, the spreads are actually low and they also charge me little commission. So I try to find a balance between the two, because if you are trading with a broker with wide spreads, you will have issues with your trading. Sometimes your trade will not be hitting TP on time. Like price will get to your TP and it won't close you out on profit. All right, and it will also be hitting your stop losses very often. All right, so these are the disadvantages of wide spread. So make sure you get a broker with a low spread and also a low commissions. It is better that way. Another thing to consider is the ease of deposit and withdrawal. You don't want to trade with a broker that takes more than 24 hours to make sure your funds reflect on your trading account. Like my broker takes less than 24 hours, and withdrawal too are faster. Like the other day, I think last week, I made a withdrawal and it dropped on my account in less than, I think, 4 hours. I processed the withdrawal around 2:30 p.m. Then by I think by 6:30 or a bit 7 p.m. I got a credit alert from my local bank. So it's pretty fast. All right. If you would love to trade with my recommended broker, I'm going to place a link on the description below this video, so you just check it out, then sign up with them. So that is it. Then the third tip to choosing a good copy trading broker is currency pairs and assets offered. Now you need to look at the assets they offer, if they are the ones you want to invest in. Like if you want to copy trades on gold and the broker is not offering you gold, there's no need creating an account with them. I hope you understand what I'm saying now. Or for example, if you want to trade BTC or maybe Ethereum, and the broker you want to choose is not giving you that particular asset or currency pair, there is no need for you registering with them. So it's as easy as that. So number 4 is the customer support. You need to trade with a broker that has excellent customer support. So whenever you are faced with maybe a technical issue or any issue at all, you can easily reach out to them and find out what is happening, and they can help you. So excellent customer support is very, very necessary. That is why you need to maybe get a real-time review from someone who is already using the broker. Now 5 is the trading platform. If the trading platforms are not user friendly, if you open the maybe trading app, the copy trading app or platform, and there are so many numbers and you get confused, you don't even know where to start from, this is the red flag. All right, that means this particular broker is not good for you for copy trading. So you make sure when you open the app, maybe the trading platforms, they are easy to follow through, then you can sign up with them. So a quick recap: the very first one is tip number 1 is regulatory compliance. 2 is account features, the commissions, the spreads, the swaps, the taxes, the ease of deposit and withdrawal. 3 is the currency pairs and assets being offered. 4 is the customer support. Make sure they have an excellent customer support. Then 5 is the trading platform. It has to be user friendly. So if the trading platform is not user friendly, don't choose that particular broker for your copy trading. So that is it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like this video. Also comment your questions below. I actually read all the comments on the videos, so I'll find time, read all of them and answer your questions. So drop your questions there, and also share this video too. Before you close this video, if you want to discover how to print daily alerts from the forex market without giving your money to anyone to invest or paying for expensive signals and bots, then I have a link below this video for you. So just check the description below this video, click on that link, then follow the simple process there to get started. So thank you for staying on this video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also comment, like and share this video. I'll see you on the next episode. Bye.